SDM Plastering, the name you need. For walls that are smooth, guaranteed. Property maintenance, they do it all. From tiny repairs, no job too small. Got a crack in your wall or a leaky roof? Call SDM, they'll make it waterproof. They'll mend and they'll patch with a smile so wide. Your home will shine with pride inside. No job too big, no job too small. SDM handles it all. With tools in hand and a can-do grin, your home's in safe hands. Let the work begin. From ceilings to floors, they know the drill. Plaster and paint, they have the skill. Property maintenance, they've got your back. SDM's the one, they're on the right track. Oh, SDM, the best in town. They'll fix your home and won't let you down. In battle and beyond, they are the best. Give them a call and put the service to the test. So if you need a hand with your home's upkeep, call SDM, they're the ones to seek. In battle and surrounding, they're number one. SDM Plastering gets the job done.